Hello, welcome back to Movie Clip Mania. Today we are going to review the American dystopian film, The Darkest Minds. Like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel. In a tragic future, an infectious sickness called idiopathic juvenile intense neurodegeneration, IAAN, kills almost 90% of all kids and youngsters living in the US, leaving the survivors with surprising capacities. These survivors with superpowers are detained all through the country. The kids are separated into gatherings: green, have expanded knowledge; blue, supernatural power; yellow, can control power; red, have some control over fire; and orange, have clairvoyance and psyche control capacities. Ruby Daly is an orange, and that implies she has the psionic capacity to get into individuals' brain. Youngsters that are red and orange are viewed as excessively risky with their powers and expected to be killed in a split second. However, she contacts the specialist who is ordering her and places the idea in his mind that she is a green. After 6 years, Ruby is assisted with getting away from her jail by an obstruction bunch known as the Kids Association to battle for her future. Kate, a specialist at the camp, gives Ruby a signal for an emergency response that can be enacted as a tracker on the off chance that she is at serious risk. At the point when Ruby gets dreams while contacting Loot, another association part, she becomes dubious of their aims. Ruby makes her break with a quiet young lady named Suzume, Sue, a yellow. Sue takes Ruby to Liam, a blue, and his companion Charles, Chubbs, a green. The three consent to let Ruby go along with them as they attempt to advance toward East Stream, an indicated place of refuge drove by an orange named the Slip Youngster. The four enter a neglected shopping center to accumulate supplies, where they run into one more gathering of survivors. The others know where East Waterway is, however the main hint they uncover, because of the inconspicuous impact of Ruby's power, are the letters EDO. Ruby in the long run derives that this is a radio recurrence, which uncovers a transmission that East Waterway is in Lake Ruler, Virginia. Traveling to East Stream, Ruby requests that the gathering drop her off at her previous home in Salem, Virginia, trusting she can accommodate with her folks. Seeing them through the glass entryway, she understands she caused them to fail to remember her and takes off. She gets together with Liam, who comforts her, and they start to foster a heartfelt association. However, Ruby won't contact him, expecting that her powers will hurt him. At East Waterway, Slip Youngster is uncovered to be the president's child, Clancy Dim, who is an orange. He shows Ruby how to control her powers, and consequently, has Ruby show him how to eradicate individuals' recollections. During this cycle, Clancy controls her brain and kisses her. It is uncovered that Clancy is utilizing his powers to control the public authority, and needs to utilize his new memory-deleting powers to become Ruby to his side and fail to remember her companions. However, she figures out how to escape with the others. Liam escapes with all of the shelter kids, while Ruby goes head-to-head against Clancy, obliterating the camp and making her break with Chubbs. Chubbs is seriously harmed, leaving Ruby no decision except for to involve her signal for an emergency response to call the association for help. The association gets Chubbs to a medical clinic and allows Sue to leave with a defensive family. Ruby persuades Kate to deliver Liam as a trade-off for having his spot as a trooper in the association. Realizing that Liam won't ever leave without her, Ruby kisses him and deletes each of his recollections of herself. Liam leaves the camp, while Ruby starts her preparation with her kindred-controlled kids in the association. Somewhere else, Clancy investigates the U.S. Armed Force and government powers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.